Beneath the brilliant Hawaiian sun, I sat on a worn wooden bench, nestled beneath the sprawling limbs of the Lahaina Banyan Tree. Its wandering branches reached out like an ancient storyteller, weaving tales of bygone eras. The leaves whispered secrets to the gentle breeze, while patches of sunlight played their dance upon the ground below. While sitting on that bench, I felt an immediate serenity wash over me. Though the streets of Lahaina buzzed with the tourists exploring the historic town, a pocket of calm existed beneath the tree's green canopy. I embraced the symphony of the rustling leaves and the distant waves, letting them lull me into tranquility. This tree has seen more than any of us can imagine, if only it could share the stories it holds. Beneath this tree there has been laughter and tears, couples discovering love, families uniting, weary travelers finding a place to just rest, and dreamers like me musing over some of life's mysteries. It's as if this banyan tree carries the collective hopes and dreams of those who have sought solace in its shade. It's a reminder that life is cynical and that we're all but a part of its rhythm. Now, looking back, as I recall my time under the banyan tree, I can't help but think about the recent wildfires that swept through Lahaina. I think about this tree's resilience through challenges. It's a reminder that even in the face of destruction, the banyan tree stood strong. And hopefully it will offer shade and comfort again someday in the future.